Good morning, students. Yesterday we were reading about the geographic divisions, in which we have already read the Himalayan mountains. Now, today we start the northern plain. The northern plain has been formed by interplay of three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. Tributary. What is tributary? Tributary is that river which joins the main river and increases the volume of water. For example, Yamuna is the main tributary of river Ganga. This plain is formed of algal soil, the deposition of alluvium in a vast basin laying at the foothills of Himalaya over millions of years formed this fertile plain. It spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. 7 lakh square kilometer. The plains being about 2,400 kilometer long. And 240 kilometer to 60 kilometer, 320 kilometer broad. 240 kilometer to 320 kilometer broad. Is a densely populated physiographic division with a rich soil cover combined with adequate water supply and favorable climate. It is agriculturally a very productive part of India. You know, it is a very fertile part of our country and it has a favorable climate. Agriculture is a very productive part of India. The river coming from northern mountains are involved in depositional work. The rivers, those come from the northern mountain, they work as depositional work. In the lower course, due to the gentle slope, the velocity of river decreases, which results in formation of riverine lands. The river in their lower course split into numerous channels due to the deposition of silt. These channels are known as distributaries. The rivers in their lower course split into numerous channels due to its deposition of silt, like this. When the river come in plain area, it is split into numerous. कई चैनल्स में जो है ये बढ़ जाती है, तो उसे कहते हैं distributaries. These channels are called distributaries. You know, Majorly in Brahmaputra river is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world. Riverine island means नदियाँ दूर. रिवर के बीच में आइसलैंड जिस पे लोग रहते हैं वो है ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी में, मजौली में. मजौली कहाँ है? Where is Majorly? In the Assam state. It is the first Iceland to be made a district in India. मेजोरिटी एक पहला आइसलैंड है जिसपे जो है जो कि भारत का यानी कि जो इंडिया में एक जिला है, पहला जिला बना। The rivers in their lower, the northern plain is broadly divided into 3 sections. अब जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन है इसे हम जो है 3 भागों में बांटते हैं। नंबर 1 पंजाब प्लेन, 2 गंगा प्लेन, 3 ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लेन। पंजाब प्लेन, the western part of the northern plain is referred to as Punjab plain, formed by the Indus and its tributaries. It is formed by Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of this plain lies in Pakistan. The Indus and its tributaries, Jhelum, Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, the Satluj, originate in the Himalaya. This section of the plain is now dominated by the Doabs. Doab. Do plus ab. Do meaning two and ab means water. Doab is made up of two words. Do plus do meaning two and ab mean water. Similarly, Punjab is also made up of two words. Panj meaning 5 and ab meaning water. Second is the Ganga plain. The Ganga plain extends between Ghaggar and Tista rivers. It spread over the states of North India, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, partly Jharkhand and Jharkhand. Third is the Brahmaputra plain. West Bengal to its east, particularly in Assam. West Bengal to east, particularly in Assam, lies the Brahmaputra plain. The northern plain are generally described as a flat land with no variation in its relief. These vast plains also have diverse relief features. According to the variations in the relief features, the northern plains can be divided into 4 regions. Here the question is, how would you divide the northern plain on the basis of relief? First, Bhabar. It is a narrow belt covered with the pebbles laying along the foothills of the Shivaliks from Indus to the Tista. The pebble lets are parallel to the sloping river bed. In this belt is about 8 to 16 km in width. First is Bhabar, second one is Tarai. It is wet and the marshy. It has a thick forest and variety of wild animals. Third, Bangar. Third is Bangar. The oldest alluvium soil of the North Plain is called Bangar. Fourth is Khadar. Fourth is Khadar. The young alluvium of the flood plain is known as Khadar. This is all about the division of plain on the basis of relief. The soil in this region contains calcareous deposits. Calcareous means chunedar deposits, locally known as kangar. The newer younger deposits of flood plains are called khadar. They are renewed almost every year and so are fertile, thus ideal for intensive agriculture. This is all about the northern plain. Now students, do reading.